Hi, my name is Karen, and I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. I have always loved nature, and I love taking pictures of nature. Flowers are one of my favorite subjects. The angels of nature, or the nature angels, have gifted me with the ability to be able to connect and communicate with them. They allow me to capture their healing energy into my photos. I didn't realize I had this gift at first. I had a lot of feelings of low self-esteem and unworthiness due to my religious upbringing. I am also very empathic. I would pick up a lot of low energy vibrations like worry, anxiety, and sadness. I would absorb it. Our bodies have the natural ability to be able to release these energies, but sometimes we need help. Being in nature and taking pictures of flowers would help me. It would heal me. At first, I didn't realize that it was the nature angels that were bringing this healing to me. I finally started understanding the healing power of nature and that the nature angels assist us. Over the past 6 years, I have studied energy work and I have become a Reiki master. I understand that the colors of the flowers are all connected to the energy centers of our bodies. You don't really need to understand these energy centers. They're called the chakras, but this is what the flowers are helping us with. Their energy vibrations help bring balance to our chakras. Nature holds many healing vibrations, and flowers have many healing properties. Their colors, their shapes, their textures, their faces. They have ways of connecting with us on many different levels. The nature angels help me take the most beautiful pictures of the flowers, and they fuse their energy into these photos so that you can receive the healing. Anyone who wants to receive the healing will benefit from looking at these photos. The nature angels work with the flowers to bring healing to whoever wants to receive it. This healing is so very gentle and very effective. As an energy worker, I add Reiki healing energy into my photos. I have made a short video of the flowers for you so that you can experience this. I did add some background music, but I would ask that you keep the volume on low so that the flowers really get to do the work. Here it is. have just spent 5 minutes looking at flowers. Yes, it was just 5 minutes. Do you notice a shift in yourself? Are there any changes? Do you feel different in your body? Do you feel lighter, better, happier, ready to do something? Please visit my website to find out more. My website is KarenCrehan.com. That's spelled KarenCrehan.com. It will be printed on the next 2 photo images. This way you get to see a few more flower pictures. I hope you have enjoyed this time with the flowers and the nature angels. We would love to help you.